talk about the lab project here, the new project that has arrived in the CandyDrop. So in the CandyDrop, it is the 97th project that has launched, and we can see here CandyDrop X LAB, and its full name is also LAB, and its name also we can say Tickle. Tickle is also LAB. So trade to share 600k LAB token. 600k LAB all together. The total price pool is 600k LAB token here. So we can on this not total 600k we can win, but we can win up to some. Okay, here we can see it has clearly written that individual person can receive up to, or we can say win up to 1100 LAB token. Okay, so CandyDrop is a get airdrop platform where user complete tasks to earn candies and claim token. And claim token airdrop. The LAV is now with a special airdrop event. Complete tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 600k LAV token with a maximum of 1100 LAV token per person. Okay, there is clearly mentioned here. And here is the details are as follows. Okay, the details are is also available there. And the new users trading price pool is 200k LAB token, fixed reward of 100 LAB per person. There is clearly mentioned that those who are new trading here, those who have just joined the GateLive here, those who have just new users who have signed in the Gate will be rewarded 100 LAB per person, but first they have to do trading. Okay, without trading they will not complete this, so they have to first complete the task there. And we can see there is clearly mentioned that the total price pool for the new users is 200k lab token among the 600k lab token here, and for the future trading pool there is 400k lab token up to 1000 LAB per person. And here airdrop calculation, individual candies divided by total candies of all users. Okay, X the pool. And the event period is also from October 14 to October 23 2025. That means today is October 20, only how much, 3 days remaining here. Okay, only 3 days remaining for the reward here. After 3 days you people, all peoples can here join it within the 3 days, otherwise they are not going to receive it. And here is the so many rules that they have written here: new user trading pool rules, future trading pool rules, and the project introduction. We will go through all this information here. So in the number one here is the during the event period, new users who sign up on Gate and trade at least 500 USDT of lab token will receive a fixed reward of 100 LAB on first come first served basis. The total pool is of 200k LAB token reward, and the reward will be distributed after event ends. Okay, when the event will be ended, the reward will be distributed to you guys. Thank you so much for joining here, everyone. And new users are defined as users who sign up during the event. Okay, you cannot complete this if you have already registered here. Okay, first I need to provide my link here. Okay, let me open my uh okay live stream here. Let me share it. Come on. Okay, copy the link here. My mouse is not working. Okay, copied successfully. You can see so many interactions are coming here. Now I will provide it here. Okay, we can see successfully it has been sent it. Now let's talk about this topic here. Okay, so the new user during the event, as I have already told, that new user defined as the user who signed up during the event here, and the future trading pool rules also. During the event, users with a cumulative futures trading volume open plus close greater than 1000 USDT will earn candies and share the 400k LAB pool. So the trading volume means open plus close. It does not mean that you have to buy with $1,000. Your only buying will not be just $1,000 buying plus selling. That means if you buy with the 500 USDT, then when you sell with the 500 USDT, your trading volume will be 1000 USDT. So that's how you can get it. Okay. And share the 400k LAB prize pool here, max up to 28 candies per person. A person can receive up to only 28 candies in the future trade section here, not above than 400k candies with a cap of 1000 lab token. Okay, lab token, it is the I think it is the token which is going to be distributed here. The reward rules are as follows. Lab trading volume greater than 1000 USDT will be one candies. If your trading volume is of 1000 USDT here, then you can receive one candies. And one candies, how much does the one candies worth? We will check it out. So when we see here another, the lab trading volume greater than 3000 USDT is equal to 2 candies. That means if your volume is greater than 3000 USDT, you are going to receive 2 candies. Lab trading volume 1000 greater than 1000 USDT. 10,000 or 3000 USDT, you are going to receive 2 candies. And the live trading volume greater than 10,000 USDT, you will receive 5 candies here. Okay. So live trading volume greater than 50,000 USDT, you will receive 20 candies. And here is clearly mentioned that you can receive up to only 28 candies. So if you will complete all these tasks here, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 exactly there we can find that there will be 28 candidates. So in the project information here, if we see, then lab is what is it is the introduction about the project here. Lab is a multi-chain trading terminal designed to support user transaction through unique trading algorithm, multi-chain support, and customizable function token lab. Here is the official website here. Okay, there is the official website. We will check this website later after reading all this information and the notes here. Okay, so let's open in a new tab. Let it be. Okay, here. In the note, we can see there is total eight, 8 points. Yes, in the 8 points, we can see that in the number one, participants must click the Join Now button on the event page to register for the event, and after successfully joining the event, they must complete the event tasks and identity verification to receive reward. Okay, identity verification is very important. Without identity verification, we are not going to receive the reward. And in the number two, we can see that mm, 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 mm. Reward will be distributed to users account within 14 working days after the event date. Okay, after the event dates, we can see after 14 days you will receive the reward here. And in number three, bulk registration, fraudulent activities, self-trading, was trading, or collusion are strictly prohibited. Multiple account under same verified users here will be considered as one. Sub accounts are not allowed to participate in this account. Okay, and in number four, market makers, enterprises, and institution are not eligible here. Mm, okay, which ones shall I be taking? I don't know. Okay, that will be fine. In number 5, we can see that in case of any discrepancies between the translated version and the English version, the English version shall prevail. Okay, let me check here. Thank you for joining here, everyone. Hello, my friend. Sajix, hello, how are you? Hope you guys are getting more information about this project here. If you have any confused, you can even ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for joining here. Get user C is 6612C Sajix. Everyone, thank you so much. So in the number 6 here, we can see Gate has uh Gate has written here. A Gate has final interpretation right for this event, and in number 7, user in restricted area cannot access all or part of these events, including the participating in this event, game or competition. For more details about the restricted area, please read user agreement. Okay, and the number 8, risk reminder: cryptocurrency trading is a subject to market and policy risks. Price fluctuation are unpredictable. Please trade carefully and manage risk responsibility. Okay, so it is the note here. We can see total notes are 8 and we have read all these. Now we are going to read. Okay, first we have to join now. Let's click on the join now button here, and we can see here participate option. As I have not participate, so there is written participate option. And here we can see it is a ongoing CandyDrop section, or you can even go in the on section here, CandyDrop. Just click on the CandyDrop and find lab. After that you are going to easily participate in this event. Okay, so I'm going to look at here. I just click the participation button and I have successfully participated in this event. After participating, we can see here the original website. They have the website we have here, but we will check it later. But first we will read all this information we have to read. Okay, we can see here the total prize pool is how much? 600k LAB, as I have previously mentioned here. And the participants, the total participants who have participated in this event is 20,440 people, and the event is going to be end after 3 days. 3 days, how many? And 12 hours. Okay, only 3 days, 12 hours is remaining here. So the price pools and the new user trading volume, it is not for us, because not for me, but it can be for you. Okay, it is not for me. Why? Because I am a old user of Gate. I have not just participated here in Gate, so that is the reason why I may not be able to participate in the new user trading price pool here. Okay, pools. But you, if you have participated, join the Gate just right now, then you can go for it. And here we can see future trading volume to see a 400k lab token. Okay, right now I can trade and go it. Look at here. Here is the trade section. I can easily go to the future trading section and participate there. For what? Participate there and enjoy the reward here. I have already told you how much dollars and how much it worth. Okay, so if I do $1,000 future trading here, then I will receive one candies. If it will be $3,000, it will be two candies, and $1,000, there will be five candies here. And if I do 50,000 USDT future trading, then there will be 20 candies. Okay, and we can win up to 10,000 LAV token. We can see here individual cap, or individual can receive up to 1,000 here also. So the terms and condition, okay, there is a total 9 terms and condition here. I think we have already read this in the previous announcement page. So here are the FNQs of the CandyDrop section, how it is CandyDrop and how to participate in all these. So what is the requirement to participate in the CandyDrop? Here we can see user participating in CandyDrop are required to complete the verification here. Okay, so required to complete identity verification, click the join button on the event page, and then only after successfully joining will their activities data will be counted. Market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. There is clearly mentioned that, and I think the reward is also going to be issued here. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, come on, come once. Thank you so much for joining here. Hello, how are you? Hello, dear. Okay, congratulations for joining here within 3434. HODLer Link. Thank you so much for joining here, everyone. Let me refresh the page right now so that we can see. Okay, only 50 seconds remaining, so please make sure to like the stream, follow me if you have not followed. We can see we are talking about the lab token here, so please go and trade the lab token and on the reward. That much simple. When will candies be distributed? After completing tasks, candies will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after users complete tasks. Please log in and check the candies obtained from CandyDrop after 3 hours. Okay, there is clearly written what And here we can see candies has been already distributed. So let's go to the number 3 here, F and Q. What are the quota based price? What is the quota based price and how can we get it? Okay. And fixed price pool. Why are there no candies reward? So here is more information about the quota. We will find out them. The quota-based price pool means that users who reach a certain threshold of trading volume are recharged. For recharge to what shall I be putting here? Maybe this one for sure. Who reaches a certain threshold of trading volume or recharge amount during the event will share the total prize pool proportionally. The fixed reward prize pool means that user will receive a fixed amount of token directed after completing a specified task here. And I think I should remove this one here, place it here, so these will be tanking. Maybe it in the middle too. Okay. Wow, that was a great one here. Thank you so much for joining everyone. Metin3434, congratulations for winning the reward. Jia Jiang, get user CD6849ED, thank you for joining here and congratulations for winning the reward. So the quota have a certain threshold of trading volume or recharge amount during the event will share the total prize pool proportionally. The fixed reward prize pool means that user will receive a fixed amount of token directly after completing specific tasks. And neither of these prize pool includes CandyDrop. No candies is distributed for the tasks. So what is the newly user exclusive prize pool? Okay, so you must be confused that what is the new user exclusive pool. So new user exclusive pool is a prize pool set up for users who register during the campaign here. Okay, I mean the campaign we can see the campaign is the lab. Okay, we are talking about lab. So whenever you have joined during the lab token, then only you are going to participate in the new user prize pool section. Otherwise you will not be able to. And here only user who participate in the campaign period can participate. Okay, and if they reach the whoa, whoa, thank you so much for voting here. Cumulative trading volume during the campaign, they will complete the task and receive the reward. So these are the all information we have just read here. After reading all this information, what do you guys think? Don't you think that it is a good opportunity for us to take a trade here? So let's check the lab website. Okay, let's find out what is available in the lab website. Here we can see lab.pro beta lab, you all in one trading terminal. Okay, Okay, here let me go to the website. Is it the website? Okay, it is the website here, and log in with a Telegram. We have to log in with a Telegram, but we only recommend to go for the website here. Okay, the web page is this. There is no any information about it, so let's go to the documents and find out what is the lab here. Okay, okay, let it be now. Introduction, lab terminal. Your newly way to trade. Lab is evolving from a single platform into complete ecosystem with multiple tools designed to help traders succeed. Lab Terminal is the first of several products to come, and here they all aims. Several products to come all aims at making trading experience faster and smarter. Our trading terminal is a result of extending, testing, improving, and innovation. Crafting with accuracy, it provides a trade with most advanced to give you an opportunity to outperform everyone else in the market here. Okay, built by the traders, built for traders. So I think it is a good introduction here. It is for the traders, for the trading purpose. The lab we are seeing here. Okay, so unique feature, let's read about the unique feature and benefit of the lab here. So what does this lab do actually? Lowest commission. We can see that it has the lowest commission here, and lab terminal charge only 0.5 percentage in trading fees, which is 50% less than most of other platforms that charge 1%. Keeps on more of your profit with our low fees. Okay, that is great. That is great, I think. And the professional browser extension, trade directly from your browser, making your trading experience smooth and efficient. Wow, I think that was the great here. Okay, thank you for joining here, everyone. Thank you so much for the, oh my god, look at here, so many times I have opened the website here, but we just want only one website here. Okay, professional browser extension, you can easily browse it from your apps and the platforms. And here the 4 level referral system, passively earned by inviting your friends to join the lab ecosystem here and receive reward every time you refer. So that is the best, I think. Okay, it is the best to earn the commission by inviting your friend, and that is what 4 level. That means if you invite your friends, then you will receive the reward where your friend also invite to another friend. So that is how it works here. mm, okay, and here we can see lab token airdrop become a part of lab token airdrop just by using terminal. By trading on lab terminal, you can accumulate point with each trade. Bigger trading volume, that is more point. This point boost your overall lab allocation with the airdrop here. Okay, so that is the best one, I think. Okay, come on, come on. Top investor and backer. Lab ecosystem is supported by top industry investor led by Lemmigiscap here, and we can see that backend by TVM Venture, OKX Venture, Miran Venture, KU Coin Venture, Gate Venture, GSR, and Cypri Capital. Okay, these are the main investors here. Gate is also has invested in the lab, so I think it is the best one you will ever invest and trade this token. Okay, make sure to trade this token, otherwise you will receive so much rewards from here. So we can see here that the faster trading algorithm also lab terminal feature unique trading algorithm that can individually customize to your need. Try now and enjoy your limited. Okay, I want to upgrade that, but yes, why not? I will, because I have the 5 one still. Okay, so boost now here also. Boost now were designed to provide you with the possibility to set up your own presence and trade the way you are using to. So it is the best. Thank you so much for joining here. Kaya07, get user CD684ED, Ramod, Sitno, Just, get user 6B, D6C7D. Thank you so much for joining here, everyone. So at this point, wow, what was that even for? Oh my god. Dirt, gold, and trading presence without take profit and SL set and do not waste the time. Consistency here, so there is so many features we can see here. Okay, there is so many features available for the gate platform. In the gate platform here, it's just like the icing, is should go with this one. So let's read about the what's it lab terminal of our lowest trading fee, as we have already given here. Trading algorithm, referrals also, and more than just a trading platform. Enter the terminal. First we need a what Telegram. We have to join with it Telegram here, otherwise we will not be able to. And here get started the registration, safety tips, wallet, and these are all the information that we will get after we go to the Telegram here, after we log in with the Telegram here. So do you get all this information or not? Do you like this, everyone? What do you think? Don't you like this one here? I think it is the best one. Okay, it is a good airdrop here. I can, if we definitely say that it is for the traders, and many huge big investors has also invested here. So it is such a good to invest at this project. Okay, so make sure to take trade here and enjoy your rewards. You can enter into projects here. So let me see what can I do. Okay, let me remove this ones too and add this here. So let's expect a good. Still nothing. Okay, great here. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Okay, radical and slow. Get user 7240B52. Get user 66BD6, and everyone remote chain. Seat no juice tube. The bulls here. Thank you so much for joining. Get user Kaya07. Everyone, thank you so much for joining. We can see the lab beta lab, and it is a beta version. Okay, not it is not a full versions too. It is just a beta version. We can see that. Oh my god, here. Oh my god, please, please, please. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so much happy that you people are liking here. So if you have any confusion regarding the reward here and all this information. If you do not get anything, you can ask me in the message section too. Okay, I will provide you all the information you want to know about this trading and on all the lab tokens also. I'm telling you that the more you trade here, the more volume you create, the more chance that you receive the reward here. Okay, the more you trade, there is more chance in the first come first serve basis. And if you see here, if you see here, here is written what fixed reward, and here is a reward share reward. So it is for the fixed that we cannot extend more than 100 lab, but at this point we can extend more than 20 candies and up to 1000 LAB token also. Okay, okay, if we go to the trade section now, if we go here to the trade section, let's go to the trade section here for the lab USDT. Right now we can see it is in the 0 point. Okay, here is the return similarity candlesticks and everything's information about how can we go and trade here. Okay, so let's take a next. Okay, that's great. Here we can see the lab token has already written 3.0.38 dollars here, and right now it is trading at 0.19 dollars. So if we go in the coin overview here, we will about new about the information, what is this coin about and how much will it be worthful or not, will it be worthful or not. Oops. So it is in ranking of the 1172. The market cap is $14.52 million here. Currently supplying 76.54 million lab here. Okay, it is being circulated, and we can see. Okay, I think it will be greater here. One, two, and the release date it ends 2025 10/20. Currently supplying 76.54 million LIB token here, and the all-time high was it has went to 0.3863 dollars also. Okay, so it was the all-time high. You can see the potential in this token, so please make sure to join this, otherwise you are going to miss a huge opportunity here. You are going to miss a huge opportunity. The lowest one is 0.01 as it was the started price of the token, but it went up to 0.38. So here is the potential. So here is the potential in this token. Please make sure to join. The maximum supply is 100 billion LIB token. So in 100 billion LIB token, it is in 0.38. That means we will look at here how much potential this project has. So please make sure to join this, and number of holding address is 21.04k. Listing C centers is in 9. It has been listed in 4 centers here. So it is a good opportunity and good if you are trying to take a trade here. Okay, marketing sentiment is still neutral at this point, but what could be the reason? I think it is going through the let's go to the chart section or trading data also. If we see here the data, we can see that opening and the volume here. Okay, opening and the volume at this point. What? Okay, that is good still. And first it was buying greatly, but right now it has been sold movement. Okay, movements in, if we check in the movement sections also here, don't just like doc and alpha, no one cares what is it. We are officially partnering with a decentralized and everything. It will no reason to dump. We have I think there will be no reason to pump at least. So there we can see the people have here so many tiers, their perspective, and they have right in the movement section here. So if we check in the chart section, we can see the support and the support here. The support has here has not been respected by the lab token, but right now if we see, now it is creating a small volume. Okay, so this might be works and it will blow here. The LAB token can still goes to the upside here, and this support zone we can see it has not been broken, but we can see here breakup is structure to the upside here, and here might be from the fair value gap or something. The token is going upward here. Okay, let me see now. I don't think here is any goody. Okay, thank you so much for joining here. Let's see who has been watching. Thank you so much for joining here. Bang Dangi, Gate User 590 EFA4. Thank you so much for joining. SAEED SAB03. Thank you for joining here. So we can see that the reward has also been issued at this point. Let's refresh here to find out. The reward has been already issued. We can see. And I have been telling you all the information about the meta here. I have shown you the chart also, how much the LAV token worth and how much it is market price. So here in the LAB token, I have already told you how it is being traded, and first it went to $0.38 to right now it is in $0.19. So it has potential. Okay, this coin has potential to pump, and we can see introduction. You can even go and check there. Check in the, even we can copy this also. Okay, we can see you can even copy this one information right here. How much remaining here? Let me see. 44. That means it's still 15 minutes remaining for us to live here. After 15 minutes I'm going to in the live stream. Okay, so if you have any message regarding the trading here, then you can ask me in the message box. Okay, 791. Thank you so much for joining here, everyone. Then you can ask me in the message box. Okay, thank you so much for joining here, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. So we can see the LIV is still in pretty good, and the market also, we have checked the market. It is being traded at 0.08 in the 5 minute. If we go in the 15-minute time frames, we can see it is in a small bearish move, and huge bearish went at this point. Okay, it has potential. It went up to 2.38 risk to reward here. Okay, right now we can see the MS, and these all indicators are also indicating us that the LAV token is in bearish mode right now. Okay, it is in bearish, but it can goes bullish when there will be participants. The more participants here to buy, the more the price will goes up, the more the price will rise here. Okay, just like previous, also previous project, if you check previous project also first pumped and dumped, but again what happened, it started to rise. So just like that, the LAB token here is also goes to the upward movement after the potential here. Okay, we can see it is still going for the bearish mode right now, but it might be for the fair value gap or something. We just need to claim it. Yes. Did you join or not, everyone here? Thank you so much for joining here, Zigna. Thank you so much for joining here, Kelvin Traders. Everyone, thank you so much for joining here. The volume is the more volume, the more reward, as I have already mentioned you here. Okay, so please make sure to trade with a more volume. And for trading also, you don't need just to go to the future section here, trade, and even you can go to the future section and write here what LAB token. Okay, so we can find it easily if you go to the future section here and LAB 18, and look at here, we are in the future trade right now. So for the volume here, what we need, let's change it with the USDT value. Confirm. So how much USDT we are going to take a trade? Here in the CandyDrop section, we will find it out. The more trading volume in the 1000 USDT volume is important to receive a 1 candy. So we are going to take a long position, or we can say short position here. Open a position of how much? If we go with the 1, okay, 18, if you go with the 20 USD here, and I think leverage is also here. Yes, you can see the leverage. Okay, 10x, only 10x leverage is available here. So if you 10x means how much, then you have to take a trade. That means 10x 50. But if you go with the 500, then how much you will going to receive? 100%. Yes, if we see here 500 and take a short position 5 with the leverage here, or we can choose here from the cross or isolated. If you use cross, then your remaining balance will be gone, but so I suggest you to go with the isolated here, and do not remind me.
We are sizing the friend.
Okay, thank you so much for joining here. We can see still it is in short position, and if we go to the short position, open a short position, then you can open it, and your trading volume must be $1000. It is important to receive what? One reward. Okay, I am telling you. Thank you so much for joining here, everyone. How much a minute? Okay, only 10 minutes remaining for the live stream here. So for the 10 minutes still, if you have any confusion, you can ask me. Zin X1, thank you for joining here. And Bang Laggy, thank you for joining. Sit No Juice Tea, thank you for joining here, everyone. Crypto The Global Hook, thank you for joining. Get user 0F363337, thank you for joining here. Hope you guys are enjoying this trade and you know all the information about the CandyDrop X lab token. If you don't know how to go with it, you can go in the on section and go to the CandyDrop section. When you go in the CandyDrop section, you can see here is so much information and so much project is going on. Here was the previous MF, LAB token, CORL token, ZBT token. So much is going on. You can join, okay, but if you want to join, you have to click on join now, but otherwise you will not be able to. Sound. So you can hear, you can find here LAB token here, and the worth is how much? 113k dollars USDT worth, and it is worth how much? Well, let me see. Okay, it worth only CORL 23,000. That means look at here how much the price difference. And I think ZFBT is the much more rewarded here. Okay, share reward, future trade 10,000, invite friends, future spot. So these are the all the information about the tokens here. Thank you so much for joining here legally 47 Erath 123. Okay, so in the lab section, if you go to views more details, I have already participated here, so it is written registered. If you have not registered, then there will be written what? Participate. So you must participate first to get the reward. I have already told you all this information, so I don't think it is necessary to tell all the information. But I will tell you the about the CandyDrop here. Complete tasks, claim the airdrop. Okay, easy. It one is the easy way to earn passive incomes also after completing the trading volume here. Israt 1234, thank you for joining. And the cumulative airdrop till now it was $14.55 million. Okay. It is the total airdrop reward that has been distributed in the CandyDrop section here, and the total airdrops that has came. Total airdrops 340.64k dollars, and the total participants is 5.48 million. Okay, 5.58 million has participated in the CandyDrop here previously. So in the how to on section, if we go here, then we can see that what is CandyDrop, the introduction of CandyDrop, and how to on candies, how to verify the completion of event tasks, and everything information you need. So you can see that in the what is the CandyDrop. CandyDrop is an airdrop campaign launched by Gate. User can earn candies by completing tasks such as participating in trading, depositing, inviting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn. Okay, you can join any tasks, okay, multiple tasks at the same times also, but your trading volume must be different according to the project. And the more candies you earn, increasing chance of winning airdrop reward. Okay, there is easily written that, so please make sure to read all this information, read the information, and then only take the trade here. And without completing, I'm telling you, without completing the requirements, you will not receive the reward. So please make sure to complete the requirement fully by reading the information there and get the reward. Okay, thank you so much for joining here. Get user flingling everyone. How to collect candies? So how, what is the way to collect the candies here? Sit no GT Su, thank you for joining here everyone. Okay, if you have not followed me, please make sure to follow, like this stream too. That's the thing what I want to say. And how to own the candies? You can own candies by completing a designed tasks in the CandyDrop, and tax type in trading specific token, deposit, and more. Each complete tax will granted you. Do you get it or not? Okay, that's the information they have written here. And how to verify. So how to verify the completion of event tax? Okay, how can you verify that the event tax has been completed? To verify, What do you need? Let's read about it. After completing I think here is the after completing the task, the platform. Okay, I have to throw this one right here. Yes. Great. Okay, great. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So as I have already mentioned that verify it without requiring manual validation. You can see a prompt once the task is successfully completed. So after successfully completing the task will be here. And when was the reward will distributed? So when will the reward will be distributed here? Let's check. The reward will be distributed to winners get account within how many days? Within 14 working days after the event ends and can be viewed in wallet billing details. User must complete identity verification before claiming reward. After the verification, you can easily receive it. You don't need any other thing. Or it is automatic. Okay, it is automatically the reward will be automatically inserted or rewarded in your account. You don't have to go manually. It is in automatic process. Thank you for joining here, everyone. And the last one, FNQ. Here can the rewards can be accumulated for the next time. Candies are exclusively to events and cannot be carried over next one. Okay, the only the event you choose to participate, only the candies will be of that. Otherwise, you are not going to receive it. Okay, this is was the last one here, and we have read all the information FNQ how to participate in the event. So if you enjoyed the live stream and liked it, please make sure to follow me, like the stream, and give me message if you understand all this information or not. Now only how much minutes? Only 2 minutes remaining for the live stream in here. So confusions, if you still have some confusion, you can ask me here. We can see the chart, it is still going bearish here is due to the massive sell first. The peoples participated in this event, and after that what happened? After the reward, everyone started selling panic sell here. So it is right now in bearish. Okay, everyone. Uh, Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Okay, hello. Alpha Trader, thank you for your comment here. Hello, how are you, my friend? Hello, Little Queen. Hello, everyone. Little Queen, thank you so much for joining here. Okay, these are all the information as I've already told you. Meeting 3434. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So, these are all the information. Now, it's time to in the live stream. So, see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Okay, but still, I'm waiting if you have any confusion right now. Otherwise, I will end the live stream here. Okay, I don't think that you have any problem at this moment, so I'm going to end it. Thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoy trading and only hit TP rather than stop loss. Thank you. So I'm going to end the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for joining here, Gate user and everyone else. Right?
To provide helpful information, please tell.
Whoa.
To provide helpful information, please tell.
Okay, see you tomorrow.